And this is for crown shades. This is the 10 by 10, and this is a really good tent. It's got this pocket out front for the red or any color that you get, but this is for the privacy screen, so you got a little spot for that. It's got wheels as well, very easy to roll around. It's got a handle on top and very easy to use. It also has this really cool system where you just loosen this and pull that out right there, pull this out right there, and that's how that cover stays on. And let me show you how fast and simple this is to set up. So after you initially set it up one time and you get the canopy part attached, all you have to do is just start spreading it out. All you have to do is go underneath and push up the top. When you're pushing it up, it's got a really cool design that you got this center pin that's gonna lock right in here. Right when I push it up, and it clicks, and it's done. It's that easy. It's got these push buttons to adjust the feet length. So once you're ready, you can pull them until they click. And that's your first adjustment, so you can still go up even more. Also comes with stakes and ropes if you want to tie down the corners. It also comes with sandbags that you'll fill with sand and then attach to the corners. And if you want privacy, you can set up this privacy screen. Even shows right here, inside up. It's got these simple hooks that attach right to the frame. Then Velcro on the sides that you can attach. Velcro on the other side, Velcro here. So there is the privacy screen, and we're all set up. It's even got a vent up top to give some airflow, but very easy to take down. Once you lower this down, you just press that red button and that will detach that right there. But this is a great tent. Very easy to set up. Looks great. And to just compare, this is a 10 by 10 and this is an 8 by 8 size canopy. So you can see the difference. Obviously it's 2 feet, but this is an 8 by 8. Sometimes the size can be deceiving. If you need a little bit smaller space, the 8 by 8 will work. If you need a pop-up tent for an event or sporting event or anything like that, this is it. Can highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these.